family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm at the house right now working on the layout of my steps. As you see, I'm working on my diagram on how I want it to sit out and lay out. It's going to be something new, something different, but I'm using this as my jig to create the jig to lay these out. And as you see here, this was supposed to be my flush side for this, so I'm going to push this back some because I had to make these spaces here the same size. And when I got ready to create this one, I didn't put in to the fact that this tube is 1.5 inches. So I got to make up, compensate for this, so I'm going to push this over. But I want my jig to be correct, that way it'll be very easy to build on once I finish with this design. But like I say, this is going to be some steps. I'm trying to kill 2 birds in 1 stone with these, so I could be able to tackle 2 different markets. The RV market for RV parks, and also for modular homes and mobile home parks that people have steps and entry ways inside of their home. So I want to do something different. I've seen a lot of wood, so I want to go with a wood and metal one. That way, if the wood planks go bad, you can always just replace them and you still got a solid metal structure. So I'm trying to do something, man, think outside the box, but I've been working on it. As you see, I got my tools laid out. I got my Lincoln ready to go. And like I say, I'm sitting here, man, just doing my thing. I got the truck open, getting different tools, because I've been sitting here laying this out, and you know what, as you lay things out, you get to thinking on what you should invest in. So I'm about to go to the store now and get a couple things I need to finish the project, a couple simple things. But hey, I'm getting my hog on today. When it's all said and done, I'm gonna have this figured out. Hog on.